Hello students, this is module 13. In this module we are going to learn a new concept of grammar. But before starting our concept, we are going to read some words. Not only we have to read the words, but we have to compare them. What we have to compare while reading these words? We have to compare their pronunciation, their meaning and their spelling. So let us start. Our first word is see. What is the spelling of given word? S-E-E-C. Its pronunciation is see, or it is pronounced as a see. Meaning of the given word is to look at something. Meaning of the word see is to look at something. Let us check the second word. A second word, it is see. Meaning of the given word is sea means a large body of water. Its spelling is S-E-A. So when we compare the spellings and the meanings of given words, what do we find here? We find their spellings and the meanings are different, but their pronunciation is same. Now let us compare other pair of words. Our next word, it is hair. Its spelling is H-A-I-R, hair. Meaning of the given word is hair, which we have on our head. Our next word is also hair, but its spelling is different. Spelling of the next word is H-A-R-E. What is the meaning of this word? Meaning of this word is a bunny rabbit. Here means a bunny rabbit, or we can also say an animal. So when we compare their spellings and their meanings, their spellings and meanings are completely different, but their pronunciation, both the words are pronounced as a hair. So what we found in these two examples, we have found that pronunciation or the sound of these words is same, but their spellings are different and their meanings are also different. So in our English, the words whose pronunciation or sound is same but meaning and spellings are different, those words are called as homophones. So in our today's video, we are going to take information about homophones. Let us find out what is the meaning of homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. What is the definition of homophones? Homophones are words whose pronunciation is same, whose sound is same, but their spellings are different and their meanings are also different. Let us explain homophones through one of the examples. Let us have the first example. Let us compare once again the words. We have two words, ate. Meaning of the first word means to eat something. Ate, this is the past tense of the word eat. And ate, this is the number. Second word, ate, this is the number. What do we find here? Both the words. First word, ate. Second word, ate. When we compare their spellings are different. Even their meanings are different. First one, it means to eat, or it is the past tense of the word eat. And the second word, ate, means that is a number. So what we have found, their meanings and spellings are different. But when we pronounce these words, their pronunciation is same, their sound is same. So both the words, it has the same pronunciation, but their meanings and spellings are completely different. So these words are homophones. Let's have another example. Pair. P-A-I-R, pair. A pair of shoes, or we can say the meaning of pair is a set of two things. And the next word, it is also pair. What is the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is fruit. Pear, it is a kind of a fruit. So both the words have the different meanings and different spellings, but their pronunciation is same. So these words are also called as homophones. Next example is, our next word is right. It means correct. And our second word, it is also right. It means to write something. Both the words have different spellings, but what is similarity? Similarity, it is in their pronunciation. Their pronunciation is same. So these words are also called as homophones. Our last example is sun and sun. Both the words we can compare here. That first word spelling, it is S-U-N. Second word spelling is S-O-N. Spellings are completely different. If we check their meanings are also completely different. But what is similarity here? Both the words S-U-N as well as S-O-N, these are pronounced as sun. Their sound is same. Till now we have seen different types of the words. All these words are the examples of homophones. In English, homophones are the words whose pronunciation or the sound is same, but their meanings and spellings are different. So students, in this video we have learned homophones, meaning of homophones and examples of homophones. I hope you have understood all this information about homophones. Thank you and have a nice day.